starts with change. No more turning back, no more fear. The path grows stronger year by year. Mindset shifting, vision clear. Turning questions into gear. Different habits, different pace. That's how dreams become a place. Not by wishing, not by waiting long, but by becoming who you were all along. Better by change, not chance or fate. You build tomorrow by what you create. If you want a different life one day, you've got to choose a different way. Better by change, feel the fire rise. New direction, new design. Who you become is shaped each day. A brighter future starts with change. Every choice becomes a spark, lighting futures through the dark. No transformation comes by chance. You step ahead when you choose to dance. The life you seek won't stay away if you become it day by day. Better by change, now we know. Growth begins when courage grows. Through every step we found our way. By changing who we are today. Better by change, bold and bright. Turning vision into life. With hearts awake and minds engaged, we build tomorrow through the change.